Hello guys, this is Uzair Ahmed and welcome back to my new video. And in this video, I am going to show you how to automate your LinkedIn by sending and connection requests to them. I know this is the very hectic process to send and connection request, search and do, but here I make a code in which I can show you how we can be able to send the direct connection request to the client. So let's jump into it and run this code. So I have used the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so after entering the username and password, it comes to the LinkedIn page, log in it, and then you can see it is coming to the main page, and then yes, it will go directly to the connection page from where it will pick the connection connects one by one and send the request. So you can see this, it will click the send without a message and then close the window. So it will now pick the another one and then send without a note. So this is how it is working. My cursor is here and you can see it is picking randomly. So now the another connection and then send without a note. Yes. So this is how it is working. So it will do by itself all this work and then select the next page and then do the same, repeat the same. So this is how it will do. You can see that. This is how it works. Okay, so the time and things you can see by yourself, how many connections you have, you want to share the messages. Okay, so here you can see the exact thing and I make it on the Selenium I use the Firefox to perform this work. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.